1117 in Old Castile, Spain. He became a priest with thoughts of missionary work in Northern Europe.
And pray for us. The image of Santo Domingo de Guzman is accompanied by the chaplain of Carosa, Brother Max Bean of the Order of Preachers, and devotees from Filii Sancti Domingo, Dominic Kalusugan, and Cristong Heart.
Saan sila?
Sa likod din, sa likod.
Ano siya dyan?
Hindi, susunod sila. Kaya pag may nakita ka mga puti. May nakita kayo